Podcast by Kate Fletcher. Today's video is a Papercraft Society box unboxing, and this is box number 14. This box is by Lou Collins, so let's explore it together. So the front of the box is really pretty. It's all blues, there's foiling on there, there's splatters. It's so beautiful. So let's have a look inside. So on the lid we have, I love that I can combine my two favourite hobbies, hand lettering and paper crafting, to make beautiful personalised products, from Lou. So I'm not really into lettering, but I know this isn't a purely lettering box, so we're going to go ahead with this. We also have a voucher in the box for 15% off lettering throughout November at Craft Stash. To be honest, I'm probably not going to use that, but never mind. So let's start with this wallet. Isn't that stunning? I really love the colours on this. So as always, don't forget to share your makes with us at #PapercraftSociety. Leave a little sparkle wherever you go. And we have a load of dies. So we have tags, we have some like edging dies, just really pretty hearts, stars. I'm guessing these are probably going to relate to the stamps, but we'll have a look as we go. Then we have, in crafting there are no mistakes, just unique creations. Well, I think that's certainly very true. So let's have a look and see what's in here. Oh wow, these look so pretty. So we have some, like, these will pop out. These are so pretty. Like, I'm no good at lettering, but look how amazing those will look on cards and stuff. And then we have the hand-drawn, like, berries and stuff. Those are so pretty. Then we have some paper. So we have wood. We have this really gorgeous snowflake one. That is so pretty. It's like greeny blue. And we have, looks like somebody has knocked over a glitter pot there. That's awesome. Love that. Oh, we have like 3 of those. And then I have 2. Look how pretty that is. I love that. So we have 2 of those. So those are the papers we get. I love those toppers. They are so beautiful. And lastly, we have the stamps. Creativity is as much about enjoying the process as it is about the finished product. Okay, so let's have a look. We have stamps. We've got like a bark. We have the like wreath type thing. You could easily make a wreath out of that. Sparkle, that would look amazing heat embossed. Made with love for you. Really pretty. So this one must go with the wreath, so that's amazing. I love that. I love that that matches up. Does anything else match up? I'm guessing that one's probably that one. Yeah, so coordinating dies, always very useful. And do you know, that would be great for mixed media as well. Okay, so that is what is in the very beautiful wallet. So let's have a look in here. It's a bit of a shame that they've gone with pale yellow on the tissue paper, because it doesn't really match the box. A nice deep blue would have been better, but that's just my opinion. So let's have a look what is in here. Oh, I see a lot of bling and sparkle. So we have an ink. We haven't had an ink for a while, so that's nice. We have a silver grey whatever ink. We have some twine. We have some lovely gold sequins. We have a paintbrush and a marker. guessing this is all for like lettering. And then I'm not gonna like open this up, but this is watercolor ink, because I did watch the reveal video for this box, because I'm not really massively into lettering, but I watched it to check what was going to be around, just to make sure to go ahead, and I decided to. But I'm sure this is the watercolor ink they were talking about, and I've not got anything like this, so this will be really interesting to play with. Then we have the card. I'm an artist, I make mistakes look beautiful, and it's all about watercoloring with inks, so that is really useful. So we'll keep that with that. And then have some glitter card, one piece of yellow glitter card, and then the papers this month we have a lovely kind of middle of the range blue. We have that gorgeous dark blue, which has been a feature through the box. There's a grey, and then I'm guessing this is watercolour card, which is always going to be useful. So we have that, and then we have the Lou Collins booklet. So we always get one of these with the boxes. So in here will be inspiration. There will be a page that tells you everything that's supposed to come with the box. And then there's the inspiration all the way through. Sam Calcott's done some inspiration. Lou's done some inspiration. There's normally an interview in there with the designer. So it's really, really nice. So that is this month's Papercraft Society box. I hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope you've enjoyed seeing what was inside. I will really look forward to getting started crafting with this as soon as I get 5 minutes. So thank you so much for watching today. I hope you're all safe and well, and I'll be back soon with more videos. Take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.